Forming a Nevada LLC is attractive for many reasons. Here are some of the top reasons why. A Nevada LLC offers you and your business tax benefits, asset and privacy protection, fast registration, and favorable business law. Let's take a closer look at tax benefits. Nevada is one of 7 states where LLCs are not charged with state income tax. This means that your LLC is not subject to taxes for the income it makes in the state of Nevada. Additionally, members of Nevada LLCs don't pay the following taxes: no corporate tax, no personal income tax, and no franchise tax. These tax benefits can result in significant savings. Another perk is asset protection. All employees, members, agents, and directors are protected from being personally liable in a lawsuit. Plus, Nevada doesn't require firms to list company assets, which means there is no record of the asset being linked to your company, except when you're making filings with the IRS. Nevada LLCs also offer privacy protection. It's not required that owners or board members of Nevada LLCs be listed in public records when filing in the state, assuring an extra layer of anonymity. Take advantage of Nevada's fast registration. You can file the application online through Nevada Silver Flume to register your business in a matter of hours. Lastly, Nevada LLCs offer favorable business laws. Nevada has business-friendly state government and flexible corporate laws. Nevada business owners have access to a robust legal system that offers adequate protection and addresses corporate issues efficiently. Did you know you need a registered agent before you can form an LLC? Virtual Postmail offers registered agent services for your business.